welcome to Engineering 101 podcast. Each week, I will be hosting a different engineering expert where we will explain to you a different concept and simplify it by connecting it to our day-to-day life. Stay tuned. Hello, everybody, and today we have Wolfgang, and we will be talking about a very interesting subject for me personally. The other day, I was in the Harburg in Hamburg, and I saw the container ships that they are really filled to the brim. And I was wondering that day, but I always wondered, how come the ship don't tip over even though it's completely filled to the brim? Isn't it like if it's heavy, that doesn't the weight change anything?
The weight doesn't change anything, but the physics do.
Okay.
And the physics is called Metacenter.
Okay.
That's what we can demonstrate here.
Uh-huh.
If you have the Metacenter aligned in the center of the ship, it's no matter if you tilt it by either the waves or the wind.
Okay.
How high it's loaded, it doesn't matter. It will automatically come back into a stable position when the Metacenter and the center of gravities are in line.
So it doesn't matter if this, like, for an example, this goes higher. It does not change anything.
It doesn't matter if this goes higher. So you have made good business. We have a lot of cargo to be transported. So we put it higher, and it will still stabilize.
Okay, so it's not gonna fall regardless because this is in the center, so it does not change.
Yeah.
Okay.
We see the mark here. We are at 0. We are now exactly at center.
Oh, okay.
And
It doesn't change.
it doesn't change.
Okay.
It always goes back.
Okay, very interesting. So what happens if, for an example, this also changes?
If this changes, the Metacenter will no longer be stable. If we change it into this direction, the Metacenter shifts into this direction, and we are having trouble getting it stabilized.
Okay, so the possibility of the ship and the cargo falling down becomes higher,
If the
especially
wind comes
if the
from
wind
this side, there would be a danger that it tilts over.
Okay, so it's not really how big the ship is, it's how balanced it is.
Yes.
So it can be full as long as it's stacked properly and it's balanced, then it does not change anything.
Exactly.
Okay.
That is the big important part on loading a ship, to make the load plans according that the Metacenter always comes back to the center. And so I will try to correct my loading to 0. So now it is,
It's tilting, but
we are still a little bit high. We should put the heavyweight containers more to the bottom.
And then the high ones are the light ones.
The light ways to the height.
Okay. So it's a combination of both. It's how you distribute it and like in terms of how you distribute it in terms like making the weight diagonally the same and also in terms of height the same. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, that's very nice. That's a very interesting.
So the optimum point is if we are here. So and then you can
and then
push it into each direction.
Okay. So
we are now in the center.
Like,
we have the Metacenter in the center of gravity. Ideal ship.
Okay. So for an example, if you make it like the lower ones are the heavy ones, so it keeps it grounded, and then the higher ones are the light ones, so it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. That's very nice. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure.